Welcome back, I'm Sean. Today we're checking out some of Fosi Audio's latest tiny portable DAC amp, which is actually quite a powerhouse in the form factor that you literally can bring around anywhere. So let's check it out.
I'm not ready yet, ready to forget now. I'm not ready yet, ready to forget.
So the DS2 today was sent over to me by Fosi Audio for review, and this is not a sponsored post, and my review will be based on my honest and unbiased opinion. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any future tech reviews. So the new DS2 here retails for a very reasonable $60 and comparing it with newer portable DAC amps, the Hybe FC6, FC4 or the new Hydes XO, these are all priced much higher than the DS2. So we're here to check out to see if this will give you the necessary satisfaction for your mobile listening experience. So if you're interested in buying one, do check out my links below. So the form factor that you have here is very simple. You get a metal build all around, and at the top here you're going to get a Fosi Audio DS2 branding there, and also an LED indicator to tell you that the unit is turned on, and also the sampling rate of your audio. So on the other side here you're going to get a volume rocker, which is pretty much all you get from a design standpoint. And the key difference here with this device as compared to other portable DAC amps of this genre is the missing filter switch, and since there are very limited buttons here, there is no way to see to incorporate that in. But having an onboard digital filter switch would be really helpful to allow you to play around with the audio. So the LEDs on the device also changes color to let you know what you are playing, and if your sampling rate is red, you're running PCM with less than 48 kHz. Green means anything between 48 to 96 kHz, and yellow means a sampling rate of 96 to 384 kHz. And if you have any DSD files to use, the LED will show up blue for all DSD 64, 128 or 256. So the inputs on this device is really simple, and it's meant to be that way since probably you're just carrying around a DAC amp. And at one end here you're going to get a Type-C port to power the device and also to send digital audio signal into the DAC here and to convert them for your analog use. So do take note that some of the cables here are also directional, so if you plug it in and there's no light on the device, just try to turn the cable around and it should work. So what Fosi Audio gives you inside the box is also a Type-C to Type-C cable for your Android devices, but you can also use this with older iOS devices, and you can also buy a separate Type-C to Lightning cable. And inside the box you will also get a Type-C to Type-A converter, so you can actually use this on your PC. And on the output end here, you're going to get an unbalanced 3.5mm auxiliary jack as well as a 4.4mm balanced jack. So do note that this DAC amp doesn't come with any built-in battery, which is the case of most of these portable DAC amps. There's physically no space for it, and they do take power from the device that you're playing on, so you need to make sure that the battery can last. So using it with the Sony NWA105 on its own, the battery is terrible here and drains without any external DAC amp. So in like few hours this DAC amp attached, it drains noticeably faster. However, if you use it with something with a stronger battery life like the Hybe R32 here that I have, the battery performance is significantly stronger, and basically I don't have to worry about the battery life, and it drops like 7% per hour with the DAC amp. So in terms of its power, the 3.5mm unbalanced auxiliary port, you're going to get an output of about 128 milliwatts at 32 ohms, which is decently powerful, and it powers my 250 ohms headphones with no problems at all, and even goes super loud. So if you run any headphones with lower impedance, then it should work really well as well. And with the 4.4mm balanced auxiliary port, you will be getting about 510 milliwatts at 32 ohms. So the amp here has a terminating impedance between 16 to 300 ohms. Doesn't mean that you can't operate outside that range, but you won't get the ideal sound level, or you may have distortions with some headphones or IEMs. So the amp functions in a standard frequency range between 20Hz to 20,000 Hz, and a total harmonic distortion which is pretty low at THD of 0.0002%, providing you with pretty clean, minimal distortion free listening experience. Well, if I'm honest, if you've already have high-res source files and a good player to start with, apart from the benefits of having a slightly cleaner signal and also additional power to drive higher power headphones more effortlessly when you're traveling around, there isn't much benefit for using this DAC amp. Where this DAC amp shines is with modern Android or iOS phones where there isn't any headphone jacks to use your favorite headphones with. Yes, you can use those cheap cable DACs to extend the use of the Type-C port to a 3.5mm jack, but those provide you with mediocre sound quality and not enough power to drive your bigger high impedance headphones. So with the Fosi Audio DS2, that is what enables you to enjoy your music on the go. And to be honest, using it with basic Android phones with passable sound cards built in, you definitely hear an improvement in the resolution of audio. Of course, some phones already come with high-res audio ports that lets you enjoy your audio in high-res, but not all Android phones provide that. So it also depends on your headphones. It will bring the audio up to match the output that your headphones produces, and in my opinion, it's a very neutral amplification without any frequency sounding artificially boosted, and I think that's a good thing. Where I hear marginal improvements is on the clarity of the song, where it sounded like music is slightly crisper and giving the audio a slightly wider soundstage, and honestly, that's the main thing I feel with this portable DAC amp. So what do you think about the Fosi Audio DS2? Is it something that you will add to your arsenal to bring your headphones around? And if you have other portable DAC amps, which one is your favorite and why? Love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash the thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing. And if you have any insights that I could learn from, please let me know in the comment section below, because I'm eager to learn from all of you guys. So see you in the next video.